That's fast.
You said, Brandon. I'll try. It's been a while since.
You get born out here on this 50-yard day.
You gonna be tired. You smoke too much.
On the chimney.
What was yours, a 7?
Yeah.
7.4.
You can run
He
a flat,
gonna
you
run.
can straight.
So just say it steady on your mark and set.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Dang, Brandon, he beat you.
What is it?
6.3.
What was that?
6.3.
Yeah, see, I can trim it down to 4. But it's just working legs. My legs are tight.
You used to be able to run faster than that.
I just got through training legs with that lady. My legs are tight. I don't want to rip that.
That means you should start running around the block like Charlie.